Assalamu alaikum guys. So today we are making mutton karai. I have 500 grams of mutton mixed with bones. I love this kind of meat which has bones. So yeah, I'm going to add that in the steam pot. I'm gonna use steam pot so I can be quick. And I'll need 2 onions. Maybe I'll make it 1.5 because the meat is not too much, so I'll make 1.5 onion and 2 tomatoes. Let me cut that. I'll cut also the tomatoes, and the tomatoes I don't need to cut small pieces because I need to remove the peel. So I'll just put them in the pot like this. Just make it 2 pieces and put them like this in the pot. Okay, so I'll add the meat in the steam pot, add the onion, I'll put the tomatoes on the last. First I need to add some spices. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and also I'm adding a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. 1 and 2. Next thing is salt. I will add salt. For salt, I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Okay, now I'm gonna mix everything together. What I add here, I will combine everything, and I will add also 1 glass of water. I'm also adding a pinch of turmeric powder. It's like a 1/4 teaspoon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. I'll mix that again, and on the last, tomatoes. Just like that. Now I'm going to cover and cook for 15 minutes. Okay, the meat have boiled and I transferred in this pan. So the tomato peel I have removed already. I throw it the peels. Now it's time to fry. Okay, now I'm gonna add oil to fry. Some green chili, a 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder again, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. Going to fry in high flame for 10 minutes. Okay, it's after 10 minutes. As you can see, the oil has separated with the meat. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add yogurt. It's 1/3 cup of yogurt. I'm gonna add that there, a little bit of water, and I'm going to cook for 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's after 5 minutes. As you can see, the color has changed. The color has changed. It's not white anymore. The yogurt is cooked nicely, and now I'm going to remove excess oil, which you guys see it's a lot of oil. I add more oil because of frying. To fry we need a little bit more oil, but now that we're done frying, we can remove this oil. As you can see, easily can remove because it's not like together with the meat. Okay, I'll remove the oil and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Now it's not so much oil anymore. I'm going to add a piece of butter. Okay, I'll cook it for about 2 minutes until the butter melts nicely. The butter have melted. Now I'm going to add some water for sauce. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now I'm going to slow the flame and cover the pot. I'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes until we see the oil on top here. Let's cover. We're back. Ooh, look at that. Okay, it's done, guys. It's done. So at this point, if you want to remove more oil, you can still remove. You take spoon, just remove excess oil, but I won't remove because I love it like this. I love it like this, and it's butter. The oil I removed already, so this is, it's mixed now. It's oil and butter, so I won't remove it. Yeah, guys, so it's done. To garnish, we need you can add some my mouth is watering. So to garnish, you can add some chili, green chili, and you can add a pinch of garam masala. So this is garam masala for extra flavor, and you can add fresh coriander as well, which I'm gonna do it. I need to remove from this pan and put somewhere else. Is there where I'm gonna add like ginger, more green chili. And yeah, guys, let him do that and show you. Ta-da! This is the final look. Oh, this is so yummy. It looks so amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, smash the like button, share as well, and I will see you all in my next upload. I love this.
Ew.